Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to duplicate in Figma. Whether you're building a design system, creating repeated elements, or simply need multiple copies of an object, knowing how to duplicate efficiently will save you tons of time. Figma offers several methods to do this, so let's explore each one and find what works best for your workflow. Let's start with the keyboard shortcut method, which is hands down the fastest way to duplicate. First, click on the object, frame, or layer you want to duplicate directly on the canvas. Make sure it's properly selected before moving forward. Now, press Ctrl plus D if you're on Windows or Linux, or Cmd plus D if you're on a Mac. Instantly, you'll see a duplicate appear on your canvas. Here's where it gets even better. If you keep pressing Ctrl plus D or Cmd plus D repeatedly, Figma will create additional duplicates following the same pattern. For example, if you move the first duplicate to the right, each new duplicate will continue spacing itself in that same direction. This is incredibly useful when you're building grids or repeated elements that need consistent spacing. Now, let's talk about the Alt or Option drag method, which many designers consider the best approach for precision. Start by clicking the object, frame, or layer you want to duplicate on the canvas. Next, hold down the Alt key if you're on Windows or Linux, or the Option key if you're on a Mac. You'll notice your cursor changes to a double arrow symbol, indicating that you're about to create a duplicate. While still holding that key, drag the object to wherever you want to position the duplicate. This method gives you complete control over placement in real time. Once you're happy with the position, release your mouse to place the duplicate exactly where you want it. This technique is perfect when you need to eyeball spacing or create custom layouts that don't follow a strict grid. Finally, there's the classic copy-paste method, which works exactly like you'd expect. Click the object, frame, or layer to select it first. Then press Ctrl plus C on Windows or Linux, or Cmd plus C on Mac to copy the selected item. Figma now has it stored in your clipboard. To paste the duplicate onto your canvas, press Ctrl plus V on Windows or Linux, or Cmd plus V on Mac. The duplicate will appear typically centered in your current viewport. While this method takes a couple more steps than the others, it's useful when you want to duplicate something and paste it into a different frame or page entirely. And there you have it, 3 different ways to duplicate in Figma, each suited for different situations. The keyboard shortcut is fastest for repeated patterns, Alt or Option drag gives you precise control, and copy-paste works best for moving elements between frames. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.